Hello and welcome back to day 9 of 100 Days of Code. Don't miss out on your learning. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Today, we're stepping into the exciting world of decision making in Python. Imagine your code as a smart robot. It needs to react to different situations, just like you do. And that's where our superhero, the if-else statement, comes in. What is an if-else statement? Think of it like a choose-your-own-adventure story for your code. You give it a condition, like, is it raining? If the condition is true, it follows one path and does something specific. If it's false, it takes another path and does something different. Simple as that. Let's put this into practice with a real-life problem. Here's a simple example. We'll ask the user their age and then tell them if they can drive. Age equals int, input, how old are you? If age greater than or equal to 16. Print. Else. Print, sorry, you're too young to drive. Maybe next year. See how we check the condition age greater than or equal to 16. If it's true, it prints the drive message. If it's false, it prints the too young message. We will run this code and we'll try some input. The first we will enter 18 and we'll see the answer you can drive. Buckle up. Again we will run this code and now we will enter 15. The answer in the console will be sorry, you're too young to drive. Maybe next year. But what about more than two options? No worries. We have else if for that. It's like another checkpoint in your choose-your-own-adventure. Imagine the weather program again. It can say wear a coat when it's cold, wear a sweater when it's chilly, and wear shorts when it's hot. Temperature equals float. Input, what's the temperature? If temperature less than 10. Print. ELIF temperature greater than or equal to 10 and temperature less than 20. Print. Else. Print. See how we added an else if for chilly weather? Now our program can handle even more situations. So let's give and try first input. We will put -1. The answer in console is it's freezing. Wear a coat and mittens. Let's try another condition. The input will be 8. The answer in console is it's chilly. Wear a sweater and jeans. Let's try our last condition and input will be 12. The answer in console should be it's sunny. Time for shorts and a t-shirt. Ready to become a decision-making master? Grab your Python notebook and start playing. Try different conditions, add more else ifs, and see how your code reacts. Remember, if-else is like your code's superpower, helping it make smart decisions and do amazing things. Bonus tip. Use clear and understandable conditions and messages. What's the point of smart code if you can't understand it yourself? Thanks for joining me on this decision-making adventure. I hope you're feeling empowered to tackle if-else statements and make your Python code truly shine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding fun. So in the next video we will be learning nested if statement, so stay tuned. I will see you tomorrow.